Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Edwin Noldi Pranata and I am from S4A NPM 2024 Today, I will explain how to use a learning management system or LMS called WISE. First, we have to open the WISE application or website. Because I'm using my laptop here, we're gonna go to the WISE website. WISE LMS. And then we click here. If you didn't have an account, you have to sign up before using WISE. But because I already made an account before, I'll be logging in here. During the registration process, you will be asked to choose whether you are a teacher or a student. So for this tutorial, I will demonstrate the platform from a teacher's perspective. I already succeeded to log in, and then after logging in, we will create a class. Click the create course button here. We're already here. Okay. And then we're gonna make a group course, so we can add a few more than one student. Here. And then we have to enter the class name and subject. For example, here I will create a class called SA Unindra, and the subject is introduction. Okay, and then click create course. Okay, we already made a class. Now the class has been successfully created. The next step is to invite students to join the class. So first, click the invite learners button here. Then select here, click it, and then select share invitation. You can copy the link and then send it to the students. They can join the class easily by clicking the shared link here, and then you can share it to your students. Okay. Next, we will try to greeting the students. While still on the timeline page, click the share a poll. Share something. We can make a discussion session, which is here we can post a greeting message for the students. Okay, the title is greetings. The description is for the greeting. Hi everyone. Welcome to our new class, LMS. From now on, all officials official updates regarding our schedule assignment and discussion. Sorry, discussions will be shared right here. Okay, and then click the create discussions. Okay, we already succeeded to make a greetings, and then the students can type comments here under comment sections. Okay, now let's upload some learning material for the students. In this example, I will share a video link from YouTube for them to watch and a PowerPoint presentation for them to read and study. Okay, we have to click share something again. The title is first material. The description is hi students, please watch the video in the link below. Make sure you understand. Should you understand? Sure you understand. The main point for our next class. Okay, and then we can type the link here. I'll take the video from YouTube, copy the link, and then paste the link here. And then I'm going to upload PowerPoint. Yeah, so they can read it. We have to wait because my connection is unstable. Okay, and then click create discussions. Okay, we're succeeded to upload the materials. Next, we will create a quiz. Okay, and then to create a quiz, we click the share a poll here. Then we can type the question here and then make the options here. Okay, so for the first question is okay, and then since the platform only allows one question per poll, we will create 5 separate questions to make a 5-question quiz. For the first question is, how do you ask someone's name? Option A is, how are you? Option B is, what is your name? And then the option C is, where are you from? Don't forget to turn on the quiz mode for this polling. And then we're gonna use only 3 options here, so we can remove the option D here. And then we have to choose what is the right answer. How do you ask someone's name? And then create a quiz. Okay, the first quiz is already made, already successful. We're gonna move to the second question. Second is the response to what is your name? Is option A, I'm 12 years old. Option B, I live in Jakarta. Option C, my name is Andy. And then remove the D options. Don't forget to turn on the quiz mode and then choose the right answers. Then create a quiz. We're gonna repeat it till we succeed to make a 5 question. Okay. Question number 3 is, how do you ask someone's age? Option A, how old are you? Option B is, what is your hobby? Option C, where do you live? One, two, three. Okay. 2 more. The correct response to nice to meet you is option A, thank you. Option B, nice to meet you too. Option C, goodbye. quiz. And then the last question is which answers is suitable for what is your hobby? Option A, I am from Jakarta. Option B, I like playing football. And the option C is I am 10 years old. This mode, create a quiz. Okay, we already made five quiz here, 5 questions. And then the next is we will create an essay assignment for the students. In this activity, I will ask them to introduce themselves by writing their self-introduction in the comment section. So we click the share something again, and then the title is task 1. Description is write an essay write like a short self introduction in English. Your introduction should include 1. Your name. 2. Your age. 3. Where you live. 4. Your school. 5 is your hobby. And then number 6, let's make this optional, yeah. Your future dreams. Okay, this is optional. Okay, and then write at least 5 to 8 sentences using correct grammar. And punctuation. Let's just make an example here. Example. Hello everyone. My name is Edwin Renaldi. Name is Edwin Renaldi. I am 12 years old. I live in Jakarta. I study at SDN 02 Jatinegara. My hobby is playing football. I want to be a teacher in the future. Thank you. Let's bold the example. And then create discussions. Okay, we already made a task where the student have to make an essay. Okay, and that is a basic overview of how to use the WISE learning management system as a teacher. We start by give a greetings and then upload the materials, give a quiz, and then asking students to write an essay to using LMS. So I think that's all from me. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.